Hello everyone, welcome to JP Academy. We are going to read the group 1 words. Okay, so first word is at, 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 sat, eat, sit, eat, it, eat, its. Pip, eat, pit, at, pat, tip, sip, tap, sap, eat, spit, at, spat, nap, nip, eat, knit, pan, pin, tan, tin, tint, spin, pant, snap, snip, span, an, in, ant, in, sis, insist. Okay, so now let's read some phrases. First phrase is tin, a tin, pan, tip, tap, snip, snap, ants, in, pants. Okay, ants in pants. Last one is an, ant, in, tin. Okay, and in a tin. Okay, so now I showed you how to read the words separately. When you are a little bit confused, okay, you don't know how to read it, you're getting confused with the sounds. Okay, what we can do, we can join these two letters together first. Okay, so let's read this one in a joint fashion. Now first what we are going to do is s. How many sounds are there? There are 3 sounds. 1, 2 and 3, right? So first we'll combine these two sounds. Sa, see. Okay? So sat, 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 sat. Okay? Here we have 3 sounds again, right? Can you see? We have 3 sounds again. So let's try to read this. See, seat, sit. Okay? The same way here when we are reading this. Pip. Okay? Pip. Okay? Pit. Okay? Pat. Okay? The same way. Tip. Okay? Tip. Tip. Sip. Okay? Sip. Tap. Sap. Okay, same way you can join the first two sounds. Okay, let's try reading a 4-letter word now. Okay, eat, spit. Okay, how do you combine the sounds? Eat, spit. Okay, at, spat. Okay, so this is how you will try to read the other words also. Nap, nap. Nap, nap. Nip, nip. Nip, nip. Okay, this is how you're going to read the other words. Okay, so it's very simple, right? So first what do? You just combine the two sounds. Ni, knit. Okay, pa, pan. Pin. Ta, tan. Tin. Okay, so now when it comes to this big word, right, what we will do? In, sis, insist. Okay, whenever the sound s or t comes in the end, what you can do is you can first combine the 3 letters, okay, and then you can combine the last t or s sound. For example, here you can see that last sound is t, right? So what we can do is we can read it as t, tin. Last we'll add a tint, tint. Okay, this is how you can easily read all the words. Okay, I'll show you one more example. Here can you see pan, pant, pant. Okay, so this way you can easily read all the words. Okay, so I want you to listen to this video again and again, and I want you to practice all the letters. Okay, and I'll be sharing a picture of this. First I want you to see the video, practice, and then read it by yourself. Okay, I'll make another video for group 2 and see you next time. Bye bye.